channel. So today I'm going to fry some breastbones for you guys and show you how I fry my breastbones. So breastbone is just basically the breastbone with some meat on it. So stay tuned. If you would like to know how to season your chicken, check my description box down below. Check out my seasoned chicken video. So to my flour, I'm going to add my favorites, my Maggi all-purpose seasoner. I like to season my flour as well. It just makes the chicken much more tastier. So I'm going to add some of my seasoning salts. And you all know we like things on the spicy side here, so I'm going to add my cayenne pepper. And I'm going to add some paprika. Just going to mix all that up. So in my flour, I'm just going to place my breastbones, flip them on both either sides. I'm not using egg or wash or anything like that. It sticks to it just like this. And I'm just going to continue and do that with a few of them and put them to fry. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to do that. Turn them. I'm going to take these out, add more, and just continue doing that till I've done all that's in here. So my oil is already in my pot and my pan already heated, ready for frying. You could just drip some like that and test it, right? But you don't want to overcrowd your pot, so I'm going to put in like 2 in here. I'm just turning them, see they're golden brown. This is ready to come out of the oil. So I'm removing my chicken, my breastbone out of the oil. I'm just going to add 2 more. I'm not overcrowding the pot at all. Guys, there you have it, my lovely fried, tasty, juicy, tender breastbones. There you have it. When you fillet your chicken breast, you can simply put away the bones and fry them later. You can try this, or you can put them in the freezer and fry them on another day, or you could do something else with it. But keep your breastbones because they can make a delicious dish like this. Tastes so lovely, it smells so good. Bye. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious dishes.